What's up, y'all? Another night with Midnight Night Marketing with Nurse Ryan. I am here in Indianapolis, Indiana. I'm going to actually show you here how to make a whiteboard, because I've been getting a lot of messages about how I did the whiteboard and how I made a whiteboard here on this big nice wall, right? So first thing that I did was I went to Home Depot, right? So there's a couple things you're going to have to buy. You're going to have to buy Eucatile, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's a whiteboard, white cardboard, and make sure you get the smooth surface, because there's two types. There's one that's actually, it has a thicker fabric on it, and then there's one that's smooth. You want the smooth one, right? Then next you want to get the end caps, which is the white plastic end caps, which is to cover up the ends. All right, so you can see them over here. You can cover up the white end caps. Then you want to get two Hillman wide channel mirror clips. Right, those are these little metal pieces right here in the top and the bottom. At least I can know I'm live and hear myself. Alright, so they're actually, all they are, they're little clips that you put, they use around the mirror so you can just hold up as a frame, right? And then next you want to get the drywall anchors. So if you have drywall and you can't find a stud or anything like that, get these anchors. These are the best anchors that I've known. I've always hung up stuff with these anchors, heavy stuff. You can't see them because they're underneath the whiteboard, right? And next, miscellaneous stuff, you want to get scissors, ruler, measuring tape, and glue, obviously, right? So what you're going to do is, I went to Home Depot because Home Depot has the best one instead of those. This is, I had an 8 feet by 4 feet, so this is 4 by 4. I had it cut in half because it would take up the whole entire wall, and plus we're going to use this for something else in the future, so that's why I had it cut in half. I think the 4 by 4 is big enough. Alright, so then after I cut the 4 by 4, right, all I did was I took these end caps, because when you buy them, they're going to come in 8 feet long, right? So you want to cut them in half to make them 4 by 4, to make them 4 feet. So after I cut 2 of them, so I have 4 pieces now, 4 by 4 feet end caps, and I just put them all on the edges, right? Real simple. It's a real simple thing. Anybody can really do this, to tell you the truth. So I just put them around the corners so they're smooth, they're nice and clean, nice and neat. There's no rough edges or anything like that, right? So then after that, I measured out on the wall, you know, with a pencil. I took a stencil, put up on the wall, took a measuring tape, and I just made a frame in a pencil. And after I did that, you know, I put the drywall screws, and I also used the mirrors as guides to where I want them. Because what you're going to do is you're actually going to slide this board at the end after they're all in, right? So you screw that in, then you screw in the what do you call it, the mirror clips in, and then after that, like I said, you're just going to slide one board in, the side in, so you can see move side to side. It's pretty sturdy, all right? And they're adjustable, so you can know if they don't fit the first time, then you adjust them up and down, take down the board. I mean, the board's flexible, so if you want to flex it into each clip, you can do that as well, all right? So, what else? What else did I do? I think that's pretty much it. You know, it wasn't really that bad. I think it took me, what, half an hour to do? I think it was only half an hour. So if you're commenting, I can't see it right now. So, but it only took like a half an hour to do. I tell you, the longest part was actually just waiting online, buying this damn thing on Home Depot and all that stuff. Right. So the whiteboard at 8 by 4 is roughly around $14. Right. The plastic end caps, they're about $2.73 each. I bought these all from Lowe's. The only one I bought from Home Depot was the board, because like I said, that was recommended was the best one. All right, so then the Hillman channel mirrors, that was $2.18 each. The anchors, they're $1.99 each, and scissors you should have, ruler, measuring tape you might have already around the house, and even glue. So what I did with the glue is I ended up putting glue in the end caps just to make sure they're in there good and they're in there stable, so they don't come out or anything like that. Plus, you know, it's just to keep them more secure. All right, so that's it for me today, guys. If you want more tips and tutorials about how to do some done for you stuff, I'm actually going to start doing more. And also, if you want to know more about some marketing tips and learn about more marketing tips, you can go here and subscribe to my YouTube channel at bit.ly/RyanBaban YouTube channel, right? I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. See ya. Peace.